Hello everyone! Welcome back to another video from Tech Info. In this video, I will be showing you how to change your YouTube channel country or location. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First, open your browser. In my case, I'm using Brave, and you can use whichever browser you wish to. Now, go to youtube.com. Here, you have to click on the top right corner where you can see your channel logo. Now, go to YouTube Studio option. Once it's loaded, click on the Settings option from the bottom left corner. And in this, you have to click on Channel. And you can now see your channel location. It's now in the United Kingdom. I'll change it to the United States and save. Voila! You have successfully changed your channel location. That's it for today's video. Hope you found it informative. If yes, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the Tech Info as we upload tech videos regularly.